Hi friends, I'm Tirak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the avatar interaction option on your Instagram. So you can just change to only me or people you follow or for everyone by using this simple setting on your Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To change the avatar interaction on the Instagram, you just need to click on the three dots option on the top, and I'm just going to show in my another account. Click on the setting and privacy, then you just go inside your account, just scroll down to the bottom section and you will see an option called avatar interaction. Click this, and here you will see three option. One was everyone and people you follow or only me. So who can interact with your avatar? So you can fix here. If you just want to show your avatar to everyone, you just can click on the everyone option, which shows avatar and also your profile picture on your DP. Or if you just need to show to your people you follow, you can just choose this. Or if you just need to only me, you can also choose this only me like that. And this is how you just change the avatar interaction on your Instagram. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.